I'm 9.
Hi, I'm Magdalena, and I am 7.
We're sisters, but we actually have 3 more sisters.
This is Rose.
And this is Lucy.
I'm 5.
And this is Gabrielle.
Hi, I'm 8. And we're the Dory Sisters. But it's just us, so go away. Go away.
Bye, Rosie.
Back off, bye.
Bye, Lucy. Bye, Bree.
Hi, I'm Michelle. I'm the mom, and I'm always behind the scenes, but we wanted to get this submission in, so I just have to be in the video. So I'm Michelle. Bye.
We love to ride our scooters, and Lena likes to do gymnastics.
We love to sing. I've been staring on the edge of the water long as I can remember, never really knowing why.
We even had our own YouTube channel back when Mama wasn't so busy.
We don't have that much groceries.
And it's way past our bedtime, so we're
just gonna cook
what we have.
have.
Which is...
Roasted chickpeas!
You didn't wait till...
Now we're just gonna cook it. How much?
Yeah,
Like 1 gulp.
I think more.
Oh.
Oh.
Yay.
Roast in the oven for 20 minutes at 400 degrees, and I guess you're done.
What do you think, ladies?
Wow.
I know, Kara, they're super hot.
I used a hot glue gun today at school.
Did you burn yourself?
Yeah.
What?
This is about the same temperature as them. Ow. And we have knife skills, although we didn't show them today.
And we'll eat anything you want.
So hope to see you at the callback.
Bye. They're not that hot.
The hot glue gun wasn't that hot. I'm doing a project.